Do you want to turn off comment on Facebook Reels? You can disable comments on Facebook Reels with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off comments on a Facebook Reel. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, go to your profile by tapping the three horizontal line menu and select your profile name from here. Now, under your profile picture and bio, find and tap on the Reels option. Browse through your Reels and open the Reel for which you want to disable comments. Tap the three dots menu icon at the bottom right of the Reel. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, select who can comment on your Reel. Again, a pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Disable Comments if the option is available. If it is not available for you, select Profile and Pages you mention. Once selected, tap the Done button. The comments will now be disabled for that Reel. Viewers will no longer be able to leave comments on it. You can repeat these steps for any other Reels you want to disable comments on.